Hi everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can find out which strategies leaders in our competition use to create these fantastic results. Now this is a 2-month long competition and it has literally only been going for 24 hours, and the leader has already produced a 42% return on capital. Now the competition uses our grid trend multiplier, and in order to enter the competition and take part you have to use the grid trend multiplier trading robot to do all your trading for you. So let's go and have a look at the competition, and here it is. A link to this competition will be in the description as well as in the first commentary of this video. So it is administered through FX Blue, and this is the FX Blue website, and here is the grid trend multiplier competition details, and you can join by clicking on that link. I'm in the welcome tab. If I now move to the competitors tab, you can see who is leading. You can see there a 42% return, fantastic. And look how many other very profitable accounts are also participating in this competition. I must remind you, it has only been going for 24 hours, so this is quite a good return in that short time. Again, this is the chart that you can look at, and the rules are shown in the rules tab, and it's very easy to join. You just click here and you can join the competition. So now the topic of this video is how do you find out what strategy leaders use to produce this particular result. So what I do is I click on the leader's name over there, and then I get that pop up here, and what I then do is I go to the live profile of that leader, and here is the live profile. I then click on statement, and there's the statement that comes out. It says okay, 42% return in only 1 day because the account was opened a little bit earlier, and immediately I start gathering information. I can see that the EuroCAD was used to trade this particular account, and I can see that already 4,400 has been banked on this account. The account started with $10,000. It's a demo account, and already 4,400 has been banked. So let's go and have a look at the details of that 4,400 and even the details of the floating open trades. So the first thing I'll do is I'll look at analysis, and it says that there were 25 closed deals making up that 4,400 gross profit. Now if we want more detail about the gross profit, we then go to orders, and we then click on closed orders, and there we are. There are the 25 orders that have been closed, and you can see there's the amount that was banked, and you can also see the pips that were gained during this process. So now let's have a look at what strategy this trader is using. Firstly, he's using a one-directional strategy, so he's buying only. He is also using lot sizing of 5 lots per transaction. That's quite high, but that is what is happening, and he is making roughly, let's say, around about $200 per transaction, and he is using a very tight scalping approach. He's most probably going for between 10 and 8 pips per transaction, but you can see some of them are very low, 3 pips. So the other information that I'm gathering here is that he's using a variable spread broker because these transactions are not consistent. You can see all these transactions happened in the course of today, of the last day. So how does the grid trend multiplier multiply gains? It multiplies its gains by visiting the same price level over and over again. So the next bit of information that I look at is, let's go and have a look at how many times the price has visited the same price level. So to do that, I sort the opening price for the transactions, and here you can see the gaps that were used. So he started at and these are in points, so I'm going to read the pips. 58 there, 66, 66, 66, 66. So that shows you that while this trading happened, the price revisited the 66 level a couple of times, and that is why this is called the grid trend multiplier. It cashes in over and over and over when the price visits the same level over and over again. So there's an example of 4 visits to the same price level, then 74, 79, 82, there were 2 visits there, 90, 97, 98, those must probably two visits there. And let's just go on. Here's and you can see there aren't many double visits. There's a double visit over there, there's a double visit over there, and there's a double visit over there. That gives you an idea of how the grid trend multiplier works. Is after it's visited a particular price level and cashes in and it goes back to that price level, it will allow the grid trend multiplier to cash in over and over again as the price visits different levels over and over again, because the price does not travel in straight lines, it travels in waves. So this is how this trader has built up a considerable lead in the competition. He's using very aggressive gap sizes, he's using very aggressive lot sizing, he's using a single direction strategy that is that is luckily going in the direction that he intends it to go, and he's allowing the multiplier to visit the same levels over and over again by using these small gaps. Now if you are a participant in this competition, you can actually go and spy on your competition and see which strategies they are using, and you could actually try and copy or better their strategies. Very valuable information. I think a lot of people don't realize that all this information is available by looking at the participants in this particular competition. So what I would suggest is follow this competition by visiting this website and join it. If you are an owner of the Grid Trend Multiplier Forex robot, one of our most powerful robots ever produced, then certainly go and join this competition, copy other people's strategies and see how you go. It is a demo competition. You can enter as many times as you want, and you can enter at any time during the next 2 months. And participate. Just a reminder that a link to this FX Blue website will be provided in the description and in the first comment of this video. From me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.